The waves of the ripple fold curtains are S-shaped, giving the curtains a rhythmic and neat look. Insert the connector in one of the rails and secure it with screws. Insert the connector into the other side of the track and secure it with screws. Insert the hanger in the edge position of the curtain tape. The return hooks are pre-assembled into the pockets on the curtain tape. Pass through and flip over the hanger to lock it in place and hang it on the WaveMaster carrier. Hang the first return hook on WaveMaster carrier. Attach the other return hooks to the rollers in track. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Ensure they're level in alignment. Secure the mounting brackets. Insert the bracket into the headrail and rotate the clips. Ripple fold curtains with flexible WAVA track, effortlessly smooth for a sophisticated and sleek look.